Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to this course on Excel for Business Analytics. In this lecture, we are actually going to quickly talk about the Format Painter. The Format Painter is actually a small tool widget available in Excel that actually quickly allows you to copy and paste different types of formats from one cell to another, or from a series of cells to another series of cells. So let's have a quick look at what the Format Painter can actually do. I've got actually two different columns over here, which are, actually for two different examples that I want to give. One is the number formatting and the other is the color page formatting. So let's assume that you have a series of numbers that are in a particular format, and you want to ensure that another series of numbers has a similar format. What you can simply do is you can actually click on the cells where you have the desired format, and then press this Format Painter button from over here, and then go and actually paste or actually click on the cell where you want the new format to actually appear. You can do that on a single cell to cell basis, or you can actually do that on like in mass as well. So you can actually click on the cell where you have the desired format, then click on the Format Painter, and then actually just go ahead and make the selection of the entire range of wherever you want the new format to appear. In addition to that, the Format Painter actually also does work with colors and font colors as well, and the cell fill as well. So if you have, let's assume, a series of data where you want a particular format to appear, or a color cell to appear, or a color fill to appear, you can actually simply click on the Format Painter after selecting the desired cell, and then actually just make a selection wherever you want the new format to actually appear. In addition to that, you must have noticed that um, whenever we actually use the Format Painter, it actually sorts of it actually shuts off. So let's do this again just to show you what happened. Just click this once, and it's a one-time shot. It's not usable once again for another series that you want to fill or you want to change. So the solution for that is that you need to uh, double click on the Format Painter, and then the Format Painter actually the option actually stays activated. So you see, it's not actually shutting off right now. So you don't have to go back and forth again and again in order to actually activate the Format Painter every time you want to actually use it somewhere. So I hope this was useful, and see you in the next lecture.